Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Google Pay and chosen crypto app are ready. Open Google Pay, confirm your card or bank is verified, and 2FA is on. Then sign into a trusted exchange or wallet that explicitly supports Google Pay. Link the same email for consistency. Once done, complete identity verification inside the exchange. Upload ID and selfie if requested, because most platforms block purchases until KYC checks clear. This step prevents holdups when you attempt to buy Bitcoin. You now perform the actual transaction. In the exchange app, tap Buy, choose BTC, and enter the dollar amount or BTC quantity you want. Next, select Google Pay as the payment option and pick the specific card or bank account previously linked. Make sure to check the displayed fees, network timing, and any daily limits since these affect cost and delivery. Once satisfied, authorize via Google Pay. The app will show a confirmation. This sequence ensures funds move correctly into your crypto balance. Complete the flow by verifying the purchase settled in your exchange balance and that Bitcoin appears. If you're withdrawing to a private wallet, wait for the required network confirmations. If the payment fails, first confirm Google Pay shows the charge attempt, your card or bank allows crypto purchases, and your KYC on the exchange is approved. If issues persist, gather the exchange transaction ID and Google Pay receipt, then contact support. This targeted troubleshooting solves most payment and delivery problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.